In this video, we will discuss data type. To hold water, you can use a container like a glass. For storing vegetables, a basket can serve as a suitable container. When it comes to books, a bag works well as a storage container. Likewise, when you wish to save data on a computer, much like putting things in a container, you must specify what kind of data you plan to store in that computer container. When you need to store whole numbers, you should use a container of type int, such as for someone's age. Let's write our program. Hash include iostream using namespace std, int main int age is equal to 10 and cout age. Let's compile and run our program. Here's our output 10. When you need to store decimal numbers like halves or 1/2, you should use a container like float. For example, when you have to store a half cup of tea like 0.5. When you require more precise storage of decimal data, you use a container double. If you want to store a single character, you have to use a container called char. The syntax for char is like character in single quotes. When you need to store words and sentences, you have to use containers known as strings. And the syntax is word inside double quotes. For storing data that can be either true or false, you can use a container type called bool. 1 for true and 0 for false. Here is 1 true